Hello everyone. Today I am going to do the unboxing of iPhone 13, which I got at a great deal from Flipkart Big Billion Days. Uh, iPhone was a dream of mine, as of many people, and I have been saving money for a long time. So let's get started with the video. So this is the box, and there was open box delivery. As you can see, this is a genuine product only, manufactured in August 2022, so recent only, and the MRP is written as 79,900. Finally, the phone is out. The glass back is looking very good in this green color, which is a signature color of iPhone 13. So let's take it out. Let's see what other things are there in the box. This is a type C to lightning cable. Apple doesn't give charger anymore. That's a very bad thing. That SIM ejector tool and a sticker. The sticker is not green color, it's white only. So let's keep it aside and let's get down to the phone only. The phone is really very beautiful and justified, I think, the money. So there is nothing on the top, power button in the left side, and the volume button and something in the right. So let's open it. Wow, the phone is really very good, and it feels very good holding this phone, and it's very sturdy. So let's start it up. So these are the speaker grills. It has Dolby Atmos sound also, but the lightning port is a little bit disappointing at this price range. They should give Type C only now. And the phone has a square design, and it's really looking very good, and I am feeling very good holding it in my hand. So I will power it up now and show you the entire setting up process. Let's start. So finally the setup is complete and the iPhone is starting up. So this is the home screen, and first I will check some 2-3 things, like to check the genuinity of this product. So I will go to that battery setting, uh, and let me show you. This should be maximum capacity should be 100% when you buy a new phone. So make sure this is there. So this 100% is like is an indication that it is new, and as I can see the phone is never charged previously. So screen on time is 1 minute. So these are few basic things you can just check uh, after getting a new phone. Also check for the genuinity of the product here in this website. I will give it in the description, and put your serial number. Hope you got some information from this video or something as per need. Thank you, and I'll be uploading this kind of videos and other technical videos or other things. Subscribe to my channel to support. Thank you again.